8 ways to become rich on the minimum wage. Despite the common belief that achieving money requires a big income, achieving on the minimum wage is possible. While a bigger income can help, effective financial management is essential. Many news stories feature wealthy people who went bankrupt as a result of unwise spending habits. Saving and investing are essential components of wealth creation. In this video, I will present strategies for building a fortune while receiving the minimum wage. It entails earning more than you spend and putting the difference aside. Although difficult, growing money on a low income is feasible with the right changes. Invest no matter how little. Investing can be difficult, especially on a low income. Before contemplating investing, there are various expenses to consider, such as essential services, housing, transportation, food, and healthcare, all of which eat a sizable percentage of your wages. With the limited funds for investment, even a small sum can make a difference. Consistently putting money aside can lead to significant increases over time. Compound interest is the magic of investment, where the money you make generates further profits, progressively growing the value of your account year after year. To begin investing, funds must be set aside specifically for this reason. It is totally up to you how much you save for investment, but in general, the more you save, the better. This is not to say that investing on a modest income is impossible. Thorough study is essential before making any investment decision to discover your chosen investment opportunities. Once you've made your decision, keep an eye on your investment since you may need to make changes or contribute more money to maximize your results. Now that you understand the impact of investing, let us go over why you should begin early. Why you should start early. The sooner you start investing, the less money you'll need to save each month to reach your goals. Procrastination is a frequent human behavior. We frequently put off crucial things like funding our dream career, preparing for retirement, or changing our lifestyle because we wrongly assume we have an abundance of time. However, for low-income persons, time becomes one of the most significant assets for accumulating wealth, and it is critical to make the most of it. Avoid putting things off or spending recklessly because you believe you have months or years to earn cash. Also, don't believe that your earnings are too little to save or that retirement is too out of reach. Even tiny savings might add up to a lot in the long run. Regardless of your age or income level, now is the time to begin saving. Every month of delay equals a setback or much less money committed to your financial goals. While you may not earn a lot of money in the beginning of your job, time will work in your favor. Saving becomes a more fun and exciting concept when you have time on your side. Embrace frugality. Frugality is frequently misunderstood, but it simply means being thoughtful and mindful in your spending and money management. Many people fail to become wealthy not because they do not have enough money, but because they cannot keep it. Frugality enables you to discriminate between your necessities and desires, allowing you to avoid wasteful expenditures. Furthermore, frugality is seen as one of the quickest paths to financial independence and even early retirement. When you have a modest salary, you must be disciplined in saving money in order to develop your wealth. However, being frugal does not imply that your life must be monotonous. Unfortunately, this is a widespread fallacy. The truth is that it is possible to live a meaningful life while also conserving money. Even if you have a little wage, your journey to wealth may demand financial prudence, but you may still have fun and enjoy life. Cutting expenses. It is not as simple as it sounds to determine how to cut spending. We are frequently ignorant of where we are overspending, and overcoming these long-standing habits can be difficult. However, there are ways to reduce your spending, allowing you to devote more money to your goals and less to items that do not improve your life or long-term financial status. By reducing your spending and committing more income to financial goals, you boost your chances of saving for major efforts, so increasing your net worth and accumulating actual wealth over time. If your expenses are too high and preventing you from savings as much as you would want, it may be time to make some cuts. Determine non-essential goods on which you can cut back, such as dining out or entertainment costs. Investigate ways to save money on set monthly expenses such as cable or phone bills. Consider canceling memberships you no longer use, eating out less frequently, and practice giving yourself a grace period before making impulsive purchases. You can effectively lower your outflow and raise your savings by applying these tactics. Get smart goals. Setting goals is crucial for various reasons. They provide a clear path to success, eliminate wasted time, and serve as a source of motivation. To increase the likelihood of achieving your goals, adopt the SMART goal framework: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. When your goals meet these criteria, you are more likely to attain them. Financial goal setting involves defining precisely what you desire. Goals should be regularly set, monitored, and adjusted as circumstances change. Establishing both short-term and long-term financial goals is vital for achieving financial security. Without specific objectives, you may overspend and struggle to cover unexpected expenses or save for retirement. Anticipating future scenarios enables you to better prepare for them. Regular financial planning allows for goal review, updates, and progress assessment. If you have yet to set goals, seize the opportunity to establish them and lay a solid financial foundation. Create and stick to a budget. Budgeting is essential for everyone, regardless of income level. When earning minimum wage, meticulous budgeting becomes even more crucial since every dollar counts. Budgets offer multiple benefits, including tracking progress towards goals, providing a sense of financial control, and reducing money management stress. Additionally, having a budget forces you to remain aware of your financial situation, leading to more informed decision-making. Despite the initial effort, budgeting can significantly increase your savings. It helps you understand where your money goes and prevents aimless spending. Incorporating saving goals within your budget ensures their achievement. Rather than haphazardly saving what's left over each month, embrace budgeting as it empowers you to take control of your finances and make the most of your income. Eliminate high-interest debt. Dealing with debt is a significant obstacle to building wealth on a low salary. While some interest payments like mortgages or student loans may be reasonable, other forms of interest can be avoided. By identifying the root cause of your debts and taking steps to eliminate them, you can reduce stress and free up cash for worthwhile investments. Paying off debts saves you money by avoiding high interest fees and improves your financial well-being. Being in debt causes immense stress, making it harder to save, budget, or make sound financial decisions. It's crucial to prioritize debt repayment to increase available income, boost confidence, and create better opportunities for saving towards a brighter future. Supplement your salary. Supplemental income is a valuable tool for achieving financial goals quicker, whether it's saving for retirement, paying off debt, or having extra spending money. While building wealth on minimum wage takes time, there are ways to expedite the process, such as having multiple streams of income. Your employer can provide additional income through bonuses, overtime, back pay, or commission. Additionally, you can explore opportunities outside of your regular job, such as freelancing, part-time work, or starting a business to earn extra cash. These additional income sources can be used to pay off debts, cover expenses, and accelerate your journey towards financial goals. Regardless of your skills or background, there are numerous ways to earn extra money, providing a financial buffer and improving your overall financial situation at a faster pace. That's it for today, and I hope these tips can help you achieve your financial goals. If you like this video, be sure to hit like and subscribe to our channel for more financial advice. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.